In this brief video, we'll explain how to make nested spirograph designs. We've already set up the spiral attachment, we've centered it on this quilt block, we've installed the gear, so it's ready to stitch the first design. We'll do that now. Now with the nested design, what we're going to do is we're going to make a slightly smaller version of the same design, and we're going to nest it concentrically inside the first design. To do so, we'll first remove the lock knob, the crank handle, and then we'll carefully lift the square drive shaft out of the hole without disengaging the gear. Then we'll rotate the base plate 90 degrees so that we can reinsert the square drive shaft into the next square hole. Now that takes some practice because you have to look down the square hole in the gear to see the square hole in the base plate and then drop it back in. Once we've reinserted that, we'll put the crank handle back on and lock it back in place, and then we'll stitch the design again. You can see that the design is slightly smaller and it's perfectly nested in the first design. You can do this as many times as you like to give you whatever sort of look you want with your design. And that gives you an idea of how to make nested spirographs.